Hi, welcome to this course, How to Write a Tax Efficient Will. On this course, we shall explore how you can save inheritance tax. And your being here shows me that you are concerned about inheritance tax just as much as I am. It can be described as a voluntary tax. So if you understand how it is operated, how it works, then there are many ways by applying your exemptions you will be able to save inheritance tax. If you had a if you had a choice between paying 40% inheritance tax and 0%, what would you choose? I know what I would choose. I am Deborah Bowers, best-selling author of How to Write a Tax Efficient Will. I am a STEP certified advanced will writer as well as a solicitor of England and Wales. And so I've designed this course because I know there are so many people who want to write wills, but they simply can't figure out how inheritance tax applies to them. So I thought I'd combine the two and help them along because everyone can write a will, anyone can write a will, but not everyone can write a tax efficient will, and this is what we shall be doing here. So we shall explore how inheritance tax applies to you if you are single, with children, without children, or with property or house or something like that. If you are married, with children, without children, if you have property to pass on to your children, or how it applies to you if you are, for example, divorced. Yes, lots of people want to know about that. If you own a business, if you own agricultural holdings, or if you are just filthy rich, or if you're just planning to go down and have a chat with your local solicitor about writing a will, or if you wish to speak with your financial advisor, at least it will equip you with what you need so that you can have an informed conversation. So why not join me in the first module, Module 1, Understanding Your Net Worth.